Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you all nail art design step-by-step guide. Don't wake the adorable sleeping Al in this polka dot design. Let's start today's art design. You should have to follow the step-by-step guide. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a mint green nail polish. Step number 2, using a dotting tool and a lime green nail polish, make a polka dot design on all of your nails except the ring finger, which will be saved for the all design. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a lime green nail polish, draw a half moon shape on both sides of the ring finger. These will be the owl's wings. Step number 4, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, draw a rectangular shape at the top of your nail. Step number 5, using a art brush and lime green nail polish, draw small curved lines in between the owl's wings. These will be his feathers. Step number 6, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, place 2 large dots underneath the white rectangle at the top of your nail. Step number 7, using a nail art brush and an orange nail polish, create a tiny triangle for a break. Step number 8, using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish, place 2 black curved lines inside the white eyes to make it appear as its eyes are closed. Thank you very much for watching my video.